Guys, this is Tinus from US Truck Sales, and today is like Christmas. We've received our parts from Mopar. It's the new box with the Hellcrate Kit, just to make the Hellcat conversion a lot easier. We did the first couple of conversions on our own, and we had to get very creative to make the motors work. Although it was much easier in a Ram, this time we're building a Jeep Wrangler with the Hellcat in it. So this is going to come in really handy. This is the kit from Mopar with the Hellcrate conversion, and we're unboxing today. So this is the most important bit. It's the new PCM, which will be unlocked and would basically make the car start without needing to do any tuning on it. You don't need anything aftermarket. It basically needs power, and then obviously needs the wiring loom that comes with the kit to start the car. And this will all be in this box. Also comes with a fuse box, which now replaces the TIPM on the normal Chryslers, and would be labeled properly. All the wiring just plugs straight into that. We, however, not going to use this. We're still going to use our TIPM from the Jeep, and also the second loom. This is the one for the engine. You'll see this plugs straight into the Hellcat, and that will basically run the engine from the one plug on the PCM. The second loom is the one that now will plug into this fuse box and power up the car in your hot rod. We won't be using this. We will be basically using the Jeep wiring as is. We've obviously modified some wiring on the Jeep, but it just makes the integration into the Jeep so much easier. We don't have to change the pedal. It also comes with a pedal, so in your hot rod it'll be very important to have. But because we're doing it on a normal Jeep Wrangler, and the Jeep's pedal and wiring will work just fine. So you will do some wiring to make it all work. The box also includes little things that will make it a lot easier. You will have a fuel pump module that will drive the fuel pump. Basically makes the fuel pump a PWM fuel pump, pulse width modulation. Also includes the air cleaner kit, which comes with the air cleaner connector and the correct hose to connect this to the Hellcat tappet cover. Also has the wideband O2 sensors. Very important to run wideband O2 sensors on the Hellcat. It needs those to run correctly and get the mixture right. So obviously with a PCM and those, it'll just be perfect. The other items will include the CAN integration module. So what this module will do is it'll make an older car or a car without a CAN system talk to the PCM. So you'll need input speed signals and the rest to be converted into a CAN signal to talk to the PCM. And obviously we won't need that because we're integrating right into the Jeep, which will have all those signals. So the Jeep will have the speed signals. It's a 2012 model that we are using. So to recap, you will have the wiring looms for your hot rod. We don't use them. We're going to have the pedal in the box. You also have a new fuse box, the wiring loom for the engine itself to make the engine run, all the injectors and all those kind of things, the PCM, fuel pump module, and CAN module. Very, very nice kit put together by Mopar to make your Hellcrate motor work in your hot rod. Thank you guys.